Kelly, 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 new snowboard. It's 120% longer than her old snowboard. Mhm. If the new snowboard is 120 centimeters, how long is her old snowball? Okay, let me draw this figure, maybe easier. Okay, let's say this is the old one. The new one will be longer than that, 120%. And we know that the new one is 150 centimeters. Okay. So how long is her old snowboard? Now we want to know how long is her old snowboard. Do you have any idea first?
Like, I want to say something that's another one of my random thoughts. But, like, I don't
Yes, 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 yes.
like. It's like
I want.
if it's like
Yeah. Hmm.
like I feel like the 1.0 point.
This is greater
Wait,
than one.
it's not gonna make sense. It's not gonna make sense. Hear me out. But what if I just like 0.120
Zero,
multiplied by 150?
wait, 0.150. Where does that come from?
No, no, 0.120
0.120
multiplied by 150.
multiplied by 150. So this come from
It's from a formula I remember, but I don't remember.
this percentage, right?
Oh yeah,
Yeah, but 120%, if we write as a decimal, how many as a decimal?
120. Like
120,
no, 1.20, 1.20.
1.20. So percent, we know that the percent is the fraction over 100, right? It's part of 100. So it should be 120 divided by 100, which is 1.20. This is conversion from this to this. So should not be 0 point. It should be 1.20. Is it multiplied with 150 or
I
so?
want to yes. I want to say yes though.
Okay, so
Wait, no, wait.
yes, yes.
What if I say it's dividing?
Yeah, that should be dividing, not multiply. If it's multiply, that should be the length of the old one. If the length of the old one, if we multiply, we will receive the bigger ones. Okay, so maybe I put this in number, easier to understand. Wait. Okay, so basically, this new snowboard is 120% longer.
Yeah.
Mean this compare the new one compared to the old one, how many percent? If it's compare, for example, if this 100%,
Oh, 20%.
is it
Yeah.
20%? No,
Because
it's long.
120 divided.
It's longer than 120%. Let me quick for this. For example, this is 100%. For example, this is 100% of the old ones. Right? Old one should be like this. So it's longer than, so this longer amount will be another 120%. Right? Is what they say.
Yes.
It's 120% longer. So compared to the old one, the total length should be, the figure should
The
be
total length it should be 150, right?
200,
No.
200,
What? I said 150.
the length. Okay, the actual length is 120, that is correct. But in term of percentage, in term of percent,
But
for
the
example,
blue one?
yeah, in term of percentage.
The
Okay, again. So, for example, the old one is 100%. Old one is 100%, and we know that the new one is longer than 120%.
yeah, that
What is
one's
the total
100%.
percentage of the new ones? Here, the figures will be like this. What is the total percentage of the new one?
100. Wait, of the new one?
Of the new ones. So the old one is
200, 220.
220. Total will be 220 because the old one is 100, but it's longer than another 120. So in total, it will be 220%. Right?
Ow.
Okay. So, for example, now we don't know the length. What are we looking for is the length of the old one, right? Let's
Yeah.
denote the old one length as x. X.
100%.
Mhm.
Wait, hold on, hold on. I'm still drawing it.
Okay, okay.
Equals, no, equals 220. Okay. All right. Now I'm done. Here we go.
Okay. So the old one, we don't know the length yet, so denote it as a variable x. Okay. Then from these two relationships, the length x over 100% will be equivalent to this length, right? X is the length. So compared to the new one, the length is 150%, 120, 150 centimeter over 220. Do you agree with these equations? So the length over the percentage equal to the length over a percentage.
The length over the percentage is equal to.
This one is the relationship of the small snowboard. This one is the relationship of old, the new snowboard. Okay, this is
Yeah.
new snowboard, this is old snowboard, and their relationship is proportion to each other, right?
Which
Proportions.
proportion?
Yeah, proportion to each other. It means length over percentage of the old one equal to length over percentage of the new ones, right? Do you agree with this first?
Old, new.
Yeah. So at the left is left. At the left is the proportion of the old snowboard. At the right is proportion of the new snowboards.
Yeah.
Mhm. Length x, length is x, percentage is 100. This is length is 150, which was given. and the percentage is 220, which we just figure it out. Okay, so now can we solve for x from this
Yes.
relationship? Okay, can we solve for x? How do we solve for x?
Well, I wanna do this thing. Like, do you remember how we cross multiplied?
Yes,
Well, that, yeah.
yes, cross multiplication.
220 220x
Mm-hmm.
goes to 150 multiplied by 100.
Correct. So 220x equal to this time together. What is 50 times 100?
Oh, 150 times 100 is 150,000, right? No, 1,500. Okay,
15,000. 15,000.
15,000, yeah.
Yes. Then how do we solve for x? This is 220x equal
We divide, right?
divide. Yes, we divide. So 15,000 divided by 220, which is
Okay, so let me do my calculation.
yes, yes.
Oh,
You can check with your calculations.
uh, okay. Wait! No, don't wait. Just go.
So your answer is
Wait! Not like that, man.
okay, okay, okay. Your
681? Sorry.
so the O one should be smaller than, right? Logically, the
Small.
yeah it should be smaller than the new one because the new one is longer than. So if it's more than 150, that's not the answer.
Right.
Right? That should be
So
like
we can't.
lesser than 120, 50, and less
Or
even two times.
lesser than lesser than 150?
Yes, lesser than
But I was doing the actual thing. I was doing like 15,000 divided by 220.
20.
Are we supposed to like? Are we supposed to like remove the zeros?
No, this is 15,000 divided by 220, not 2020.
Yeah. Okay.
220, yes, 220. 220. 15,000 divided by,
68.18.
yeah, 68.18. So 68.18. The unit is
Uh, per centimeters.
centimeters. So we compare to this length, so it should be same unit as that length. So this is the answer. 68.18. Okay. So in your main class, you already study proportion, right? This is proportion. It's about proportion.
Yeah. Yeah. Wait, I don't know because for a second let me search up what proportion is, man. I'm kind of confused.
I think,
Fine.
yeah, because if you haven't reached to the proportion and we solve this kind of problem, and your your instructor will say, where does this come from? This is
Oh, that.
right.
Yeah, we have.
That also like concern to my other student. Like she always solve the problem ahead of the class, and she already understand. Actually, like we study ahead of the class, and then like everything is already understood. But then when she saw, so sometime it's involved with the what we said in the tutorings. So then like, oh, why you know this? Why you know this? So we like have that kind of problem. Okay.
I just feel like I'm gonna fail this test, man. I don't know why, but I feel. Can you give me like one like that, like a problem similar to the one that we just solved?
Okay. So I think we can finish this first, and then like I will arrange it maybe tomorrow because I need time to prepare like
Oh,
problem.
my test is on Friday, so we have enough time. Yeah,
Yes.
we have days.
Okay, so I check something like this, and then like I will put it tomorrow. Okay, so this is number four. Let's do number five. Survey found that 78% of high school freshmen have internet access at home. Of the 754 freshmen at one high school, about how many would be expected to have internet access at homes? Explain. Okay. Oh, actually, this one is similar to what we did. Now you
Mm-hmm.
ask a similar question. Now this one is quite similar to this, but maybe a little bit higher levels. So a survey found that 78% of high school freshmen have internet access at home. So of the 74 freshmen at one high school, how many would expect to have internet access? So basically, the whole class, let's say the whole class, we have total 754 freshmen. Right? This is total number. The number of students is 754 freshmen. But out of them, only 78% having the internet access at home. So they want to ask how many students have the internet access at home.
Okay.
Yeah. Do you get the full pictures? Do you get the full picture first? Like first,
Yes.
yeah, in order to solve this kind of applications a problem, we need to figure out the whole pictures. Then all we can realize, oh, this should be solved like this. This should be solved like this. This should be solved like this. So how do we find out?
100, 754 divided by 78? Or no?
Divide or multiply this one for this case?
754 over. No. No,
Okay,
wait.
so another tricky,
X
another
over 7. Oh.
another tricky solution that you can remember. If we divide by percentage, we divide by percentage, for example, divide by 78%, when we divide by percentage, the result will be greater than original ones.
Well, can I do something? Can I ask something?
Yes, yes, yes.
X X over 754
X
is equal
over 754 equal to
78 over 100.
78 over 100. Yes, yes. Okay, that is the correct solutions.
Equals 100
Okay,
X
and then like
more.
solve for x, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Now I'm gonna give you the answer.
Mm, okay, so this written equation is correct already. So, but first, in order to write in a proper way, in for example, in your worksheet, you have to denote what is x. Right? We cannot just like jump into x. So let's say x is the number of, let x be the number of, let x be number, okay, number of freshmen have access to internet at home, right? Have internet access at home. So x over 754 equal to 78 over 100. And then we solve for x. So now what is the answer for x?
Hold up, 9, 10. So I would say uh 78 multiplied by 754
Mhm.
is equal to 58,812.
Okay, okay, wait. So we do cross multiplication. So it will be 100x equal to 754 times 78. Then 100x equal to, what is it?
50,
Mhm.
58,812
Yes, correct.
divided by 100 would be.
X will be, yes. Divide by hundreds.
Wait, hold up. I don't have enough space. I need another paper. Is it 5? Wait, what?
Five. This divide by a hundred.
Wait. Hmm? Is it is it 588.12? Huh?
500. Okay, so the answer is 588.12, right?
Is that the actual answer? I'm a bit confused. Sorry.
Okay, this is the answer from the calculation. But can we give this as the answer? Because X is a freshman. Freshman is a person, right? Is a people.
Yeah.
Can we give this as a number of people? Will there be like
No, we,
588.1?
we can't.
Yeah, so what should be the answer? Freshman total
Five
is,
hundred, 589.
yes, 589 freshmen, right, who have the internet access at home. So when it's come to people or like the animal, always round it up. Always round it up.
Yeah.
Okay, so this is 589 freshmen. Okay, now I think you can solve this. So don't be so scary about this kind of problems. I think percentage we already study and we have a quiz and you have received like almost like a top score, 90% or something for the quiz of the percent as far as I remember. Hmm. But maybe like 2 months already, like when we study in this in here.
Oh, yeah.
So Mia, fit. Is it like how do we run?
Mia.
Mia, yeah.
Mia.
Mia finished 60% of her homework. Oh, I think this can apply to you as well. So you,
Oh,
yeah,
okay.
you finished 60% of of your homeworks in 45 minutes. So how many minutes will it takes her to complete all of her homework at this rate? Okay, at the same rate. So assume that all the problem is all the homework, let's say like have a equal level. So
Yeah.
uh, all of her homework. Okay, this is also similar to the previous two. I'll let you think a bit what is the relation
Oh, no.
is,
Okay.
and then like what should be. So in six
Wait.
season, yes,
Wait.
yes, I just read it. So Mia,
Oh, okay.
yeah,
Please.
Mia finished 60% of her homework in.
27 minutes.
Is it your answer? I don't know the answer yet. So
Uh, yes, my answer.
yes, so your answer is 20,
You just wrong.
27 minutes, right?
Tw- yeah, 27. Am I
Mm.
wrong?
So the question asks how many minutes will it take her to complete,
Like the rest of her homework, right?
yeah, the rest of the homework. So if this 27 of the remaining, let's say the remaining another 40%, that should be including this as well. Right? For
Oh.
example, the first 60 minutes, it already take 45 minutes. Then for the other percent, take another 27. So you have to add together as well.
8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Overall, it's like 72.
Overall is 72 minutes. Okay, so let's put it here. Okay, how do you write the proportions?
Oh, x over 45.
X over 45.
45.
Why is it x
Yeah.
45? X is the
The rest of the minutes we have to find.
X is wait, what is X first? X is
X is the rest of the minutes we have to find.
the rest of the minute or the remaining minutes?
Isn't that the same thing worded different ways?
Okay, so let's do what you did first. So X be the rest of minute that you need to complete the homework, right? So X over
For 45.
45 equal to
60 over 100.
60 over 100. Is it 60?
I'm scared. I don't know.
Okay, so now this proportion is X is the duration of the rest, right?
Yeah.
So the rest should be 100. Oh, okay. So you solve this, but not 27, right? Not this.
Bye.
Okay. So x over 45 equal to 100 over 60.
It's 100 because that's the whole
The
thing.
whole things, and this is 60 is the amount that you have done with this amount of minutes, right? Okay.
Yeah.
So we write this as correct. Then, so this it's 60x equal to 45 times 100.
Equals 60.
And 60x equal to 4500, right?
45. That 45,000. No, 45. Yeah.
That's, so then to find x
Mm.
is 4500 divided by 60 equal to
Wait.
mhm,
75.
seven,
Wait, no, no.
7.
Wait.